Now, undeterred by protests and slowing economy, Beijing continues to stick to its zero COVID policy. The latest to join the dissenters club against the strict COVID measures are the Tibetans, who are up in arms against the Chinese government. These images are from the 26th of October. The Tibetan capital of Lhasa has been locked down for nearly 3 months, in accordance with China's zero COVID strategy. Hundreds of people have taken to the streets to protest the harsh COVID measures, a rare demonstration in the tightly controlled region. The locals are complaining of food shortages and poor conditions in mass quarantine facilities. The protesters, mostly Han Chinese migrant workers, also engaged in a scuffle with the police. Demanding to be allowed to return home, the residents say that they face shortages of essential items, as the sudden lockdown didn't leave them enough time to prepare. There is already a heavy security presence in Tibet, with access to journalists mostly restricted. Chinese authorities are accused of increased repression towards the majority ethnic Tibetan population. Some social media users suggested police would have cracked down more harshly on the anti-lockdown march had the protesters been Tibetan rather than Han Chinese. The Tibetan government in exile operating from Dharamshala says the Chinese authorities are holding Tibetans in quarantine camps without adequate food, water or medical care. China on Friday reported more than 1,000 new infections for the 4th day straight, triggering renewed restrictions nationwide. Earlier this week, authorities locked down a district of Wuhan, where COVID first erupted in late 2019, home to 800,000 people. Other cities, too, are battling a COVID surge. Shanghai Disneyland has reduced capacity to comply with the COVID-19 measures. China has repeatedly vowed to stick to its zero-tolerance response to COVID-19 and to implement what the authorities say are necessary measures to contain the virus.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.